Hello, my name is Jake. I'm the owner of Oregon Solar and Battery. We're here in beautiful Oregon, California border. And yes, that is snow, lots of it. So we have the Sinclair ground mount, which allows our clients to tilt adjust for winter and summer, allowing optimization of sun, allowing this home to get as much energy as possible. Clients can come out here and do a manually adjust, feeding their home. Now here we have a one, and we are installing a sol-ark 15K with EG4 battery. With Oregon Solar and Battery, we put a bypass switch in case our sol-ark was to ever fail. You're able to go from sol-ark to grid, allowing you to still have power to your home until we replace the sol-ark, which has not happened yet. But we like to have a backup for everything. Both these batteries will be turning on instantaneously when the power is lost, running this 250-acre farm. They are loaded in this utility room and fed by our solar. Now our solar systems are manually tilt adjusted, allowing you to get maximum power from the sun during winter. So our clients will come out here and manually adjust our solar panels, allowing them to get the most energy for their home. Gets a little crazy out here in the winter with 4 feet of snow and very hot during the summer, up to 100 degrees. And we like to optimize as much power as possible. Our electrician's over here hooking up our disconnect pass-through panel. And it is raining in beautiful southern Oregon, about a mile from the California border. If you guys have any questions or would like a quote, please reach out to me, Jake. I'm the owner, at 541-299-0201. We are an Energy Trust Trade Ally in Oregon. They're giving a lot of money away right now for people to go solar and battery backup to where you can possibly have a system like this with no money out of pocket. So please give us a call. We'd love to help. And here's our information. You can reach us. Another beautiful install by Oregon Solar and Battery. Till next time.